2-inch square tubing, thread gauge, homemade stem nut, lifting ring, end mill, 5/8, clevis pin, mill ends, no specific length, both sides. Hello YouTube, this is Rich from Rich Micro Tooling Technologies. Sorry I lost the footage on all the machining part of this. Okay, so what I made was, you'll see it in a minute. I bought a new baby. I went somewhere and something followed me home, let's just put it that way. So this is going to go into a 2-inch receiver on my new toy, and then I put a forged lifting hook in. If you can see, I made a spacer there to allow for the crush on the tube when I tighten it up. And we're going to paint this up here in 1 second, okay? So just so you see, if anyone wants the dimensions on this, if they want to give me, leave me a comment at the bottom, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, so far this is it. Okay, so we're going to paint this thing up nice cherry red, and you'll see in a minute why I chose cherry red. Okay, get you in a minute. Yep, this is it. This is the new toy. I'll give you a quick walk around. Honda Rubicon Deluxe. Automatic shift, manual shift. Couple of modifications that I made. Probably one of the first things you're going to notice is the box right here. Okay, I was going to go with the cargo container or cargo holder, whatever. I don't need a second seat. I don't need all that crap that I can fill it up with. This is all I need. Everything is in right here. It's been put down. I don't know if you'll be able to see up underneath there. I've got U-bolts that are, excuse me, shaking, holding it down. And one of the newest things is right there. Independent suspension, love it, absolutely love it. My new toy. Okay, I'll be with you in a little while. Okay, that's the finished product. I'm going to use this a couple of different ways. One is for a tow hook. The other is going to be for taking the whole unit, turning it around 180 degrees with the loop down, and then putting my tie down straps to that. And then that'll save my rack and anywhere else that I can grab a line on. Thank you for watching. This is Rich from Rich Micro Tooling Technologies. Just working a little bit on my own stuff. You have a good day. See you later. Okay, well, that is all of my little chunks to get you to this point, all lined up. I want to thank everyone for watching, subscribing, commenting. Please comment. Speaking of comments, if you want any of the dimensions that I used to get this all done, just drop me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It was not hard to build. I went around the long way, but I'm sure that if once you see the video, you might have your own ways to do it. I just add mine. There's more than one way to, hate to say it, skin a cat, but there is. Okay, so I want to be very outright and say that I thank everyone who's watched and who has supported me throughout my whole YouTube career. I don't plan on going anywhere. I plan to make more. It's just I hit a low spot in my life. And I lost someone who was very near and dear to me. And now, after about 2.5 years, I'm starting to get back on the horse. All right? So one of the things that I thought would help me would be to get the new ATV. So then when you get the new ATV, there's always something new that you want. So I put some money into that. Love the Hondas, always have. I have had Hondas all of my career, all my life, and I'm very happy with them. The Rubicon 520 Deluxe, can't beat it. I love that independent suspension. The actual build, all in all, took me about 6 hours to do, not complicated. But if you want the dimensions, I'm more than happy to give them. I am not claiming patent right on this whatsoever. The one thing that I will say is if you do have the Rubicon and you want to take and convert that like I did with the 2-inch receiver, try the one from Harbor Freight. The paint usually goes pretty quick on them, but it's only held on with one bolt. All you need to do is release that bolt and repaint it, so it's not like you're losing a whole lot. Harbor Freight, the model number or the item number is on one of the pictures. I'll try to include it in the description too. And then I just used some spray paint, painted it cherry red, same color as my springs and my suspension. Well, right. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you much for supporting me. I'm back, and I just want to say that I'm happy to be doing videos for you again. You have a good day, and goodbye.